Do you have an idea but don't have a vision? Or maybe you have a vision but you don't have a proper mind map. In this video, I'm going to share some tips that are going to help you to convert that idea into a reality. So keep on watching. People with growth mindset, they believe that their abilities and skills can be acquired with the help of learning. But people with fixed mindset, they believe that these skills cannot be acquired with the help of learning. People with growth mindset, they're always willing to try new things. They look for challenges, they don't give up easily, and they focus more on enjoying the process. Whereas people with fixed mindset, they're always threatened by the success of others. They give up too soon. They seek for others' approvals and they worry about the end results too much. We all know this, that we cannot solve the problems with the same mindset when we created them. Get out of your own way and start having a growth mindset. Use your imagination. Imagination leads to innovation. Think out of the box. Think different. Make full use of imagination power. Logic will take you from A to B, but imagination will take you everywhere. Ask questions, be curious. Honestly, when I started this YouTube journey, I knew this I won't be able to make it big anytime soon, but I knew this that creating videos will help me in my overall journey. Now everybody is using the micro videos to share their voice, and I think it's best to put your idea into action when it's most required. Mind mapping is the process of visualization. Why do we use maps? To get the directions. Let's suppose you have a main idea. Now branch other important ideas from that main idea. So let's suppose if I need something online, offline, or anywhere for that matter, and I steal an idea and then I prepare a mind map. Mind mapping becomes really helpful when you're unsure of your idea, when you're doubtful of the outcome. You can always prepare a SWOT analysis for yourself. You can write about your strength, like what resources do you have enough time, do you have enough knowledge and experience. Then you can talk about your weakness. Maybe there's a lack of skill set, maybe you don't have the right team. Then you can also write about the opportunities. It's a lockdown time and everybody's at home, they're looking for motivation. And then you can also write about threats. How much is the competition? Is your industry too saturated? So when I decided to write a book, I was not sure if I'll be able to pull it off. Let's suppose you already have a great idea, but you don't know how to execute that idea, then start looking for inspiration. For example, when I was writing a book, I used to look at the other writers, how they wrote their first book, what problems did they face, were there any creative blocks, how did they face it? Like, there were so many doubts in my mind. Don't live in a delusion, take an action. You don't have to be great at everything you do, you just have to do it. Take a path of unknown, take a path of risk, take a fast action on your idea, otherwise it would just become a bubble and burst. Follow the creative routines of the genius, learn from them. When I was writing a book, I was told by many people that it's going to be tough, it's just that you'll be so excited for 2 days, and then when the process begins, it really feels difficult. You don't have to listen to them. Advices come from people who haven't made it themselves. Writing a book was a conscious decision because I knew that it's a very time-consuming process, but this was very helpful for my personal branding. There was a lot of content for use. I can use this content for my videos, and obviously you're getting incentives for your hard work. And the best part is that you can position yourself as an expert. Also keep an open mind, delete all the preconceived notions because your limited beliefs are based on your past experiences. Don't cling to what you already know. Empty your mind and start challenging the assumptions. Believe in your idea because other people can't see your vision. This is your idea, only you can see the far-sighted reality. So all the best. So that's all from my side. See you next week.